into the mobile.
Copy that, England station. You are 3x5. England station, you are 3x5 mobile right here in Cleveland, Ohio, right on the coast of Lake Erie there, QSL.
Beautiful, beautiful, great stuff, sir. Yeah, well, we're just interrupting now. About 3 o'clock, bang on 3 o'clock.
Copy that, copy that. There's a lot of other stations on frequency creating a lot of QRM, and conditions aren't really that good today. They're in there, but they're not that good today, so I am very happy to make this England contact there, Roger.
Yeah, good stuff. Well, you're getting stronger all the time, so it's always a good omen. Yeah, the operator name this side is Rob, Romeo Oscar Bravo, and I'm right in the middle of the UK, right in the central part of England, not too far away from the town of Stratford-upon-Avon, famous for Mr. William Shakespeare. Back to you.
QSL, yeah, we are running a video gate, Rob. Rob, we are running a video gate, so we will put it up to YouTube so you can see it. Rob, our first person is Clifford, Charlie, Lima, India, Foxtrot, Oscar, Romeo, Delta. And we are located right on the coast of Lake Erie there, QSL.
Yeah, sure thing, Clifford, right on the coast of Lake Erie. Like I say, it sounds like a nice location.
QSL, Rob. Rob, there is a 1-3 division station coming in there with a big radio, so it seems like we have to take a standby. Rob, over there in the central UK, we appreciate the contact. Give us your call sign one more time for the video, and your call sign will be in the title along with England contact on YouTube there, Roger.
Yeah, sure thing, Clifford. I think you're Alpha Tango. I think I'm right in saying you're Alpha Tango. Apologies if you're not, but yeah, the call sign this side is 26 Oscar Papa 827. 26 Oscar Papa 827 is the call.
26 Oscar Papa 827. Okay, that's good. We will have that in the video, so if you want to see it and you can see how your station sounds, punch in CB/ham radio, and your call sign will be in there, and it will say England contact, and you can see what you sound like. And if you could just leave a comment to let me know you saw the video there, Roger.
Yeah, sure thing. What was your unit number again? I've got 2 Alpha Tango down.
2 Alpha Tango 534. 2 Alpha Tango 534 mobile station.
You copy mobile. You're a mobile station.
Yeah, we're a mobile station. Conditions are falling out. Conditions are in there today, but they're coming and going, and it's not super great. Rob, you are 3x5, but we are mobile, so my antenna is only about 6 feet off the ground there, Roger. Conditions are going out. Roger that, Rob. Yeah, it's always wonderful to do mobile to mobile. Rob, I talked to a guy Friday, had a QSO with him in the Netherlands, and he was in the mobile in the mountains 2,000 feet above sea level, and he was operating the exact same type of amplifier I'm running here now. Rob, we are running a Charita S890 and an RM Italy KL703. I'm showing it to you right now in the video. And we have a quarter wave whip. A quarter wave whip, the old tried and true there, Roger.
Sure thing. Well, we're whacking back to you the transceivers, the DX10, the Yaesu, and then same amplifier, exactly the same amplifier as yourself, cranked up, as it always is, because just, yeah, makes the mobile station that little bit more tolerable. And then we've got a stereo whip on the top, 4,000 whip on the top, so not even quite as grand as your quarter wave. Back to you.
Well, that stereo's working. I've never tried a stereo antenna, but you know, the quarter wave whip has been around for 250,000 centuries, and they seem to work real well. It's mounted in the center of my roof on the mobile, so it should be omnidirectional, and it's not creating a beam out of my vehicle. So it seems to be working pretty well there, Roger. Roger that, Rob. Yeah, my whip, it's a quarter wave whip equivalent. It's equivalent to a quarter wave whip, but it has a mast with a coil in the middle of it, and then a whip on top that's about 4 feet long there, Roger. Okay, Rob, it seems the conditions are falling out. Conditions are falling out, and there are other stations on frequency, so we do want to say it's a pleasure to make this contact with you. 73s to you and the fine family. We appreciate it very much. Rob, 2 Alpha Tango 534 Buckeye State. We'll be clear on your final.
Yeah, thank you, Clifford. It's been brilliant. Yeah, we're starting to get the Italians getting pretty loud and feisty on here now, as they always do. So, yep, we'll take back 73s and we'll listen out to you again, mobile to mobile, right there on the Lake Erie shores. Bye-bye now.
Okie doke, Rob. 73s. Enjoy your weekend. England, Central England.